Hey guys, today we're having a look at the Energizer. This is a flashlight that fits on your head, so it's a headlamp. They say there you are, Energizer. This is the Vision Ultra rechargeable headlamp. This one is not like the other ones. I think I've got a blue and a red one that uses AAA batteries. This one is a rechargeable one. It's got a lithium battery inside and it's got 400 lumens, so it's a lot brighter than the other ones. I think the other ones is 150 and 100 and 200 lumens. So yeah, as you can see here on the package, this one it says IPX4, water resistant, about 4 hours of light, and 80 meters distance that it can reach. It's also got dim, bright, red, flickering red, and then a green light. So 7 modes. I don't know how many modes you need in a thing like this, but you've got 7 modes in this one. Night vision mode, that's the red lamp. I don't know why it's got a green lamp, but in any case, so it's also got a green lamp. At the bottom here it says that it can do like a 20 lumens low mode, 15 hours, and the 400 lumens is the one that can do 4 hours. I thought maybe that'll be for the dim one, but in any case, this one can take a drop of a meter. So, and the 80 meter beam that it throws, and a bit of rain that can fall on it. That's all that's on the package. So let's get this out of the package. Oh, I thought I'm gonna need something like, let's see if this pull tab is worth something, because normally it's perforated, but it doesn't help. I really don't know how these things are actually meant to help you. Oh, okay, nice. So at least we got that off. Now we can open it up. Nothing else inside. Over here you've got the little lamp. It's covered in a plastic, and the lamp itself is, well, it feels quite sturdy. So it's got a very nice thing here that angles the light a bit down, or whichever way you want to put it. So that's just for the angling. How to recharge. So at the back, oh, there we go. There's the little recharge port. In the box also you get this little recharge cable, 1 meter. So that's 1 meter long. And then finally you've got a little band for around your head. Now this just clips in here, so it just slides in there and it goes around your head. So let's quickly just turn off the light and see how bright it is. I'm going to switch it on now with the lights on, and then just on the table you can see there's the power button. So on this side you've got your red and green mode button, and this side your normal light button. So if you press this one once, it comes on. Press it again, one goes off and you're on a bit dimmer, like this little lens has got a diffuser. The other lens is even less light, and off. I also know if you press this button, you switch it on, and you press it again but you hold it down, it goes through, yeah, it goes through extra bright and then it goes back to low. So that's also a quick way to just change the light to different levels. On this side, if you press it, it's got a little red light there. That's the night vision one. If you press it again, it'll flash. And then if you press that again, you've got a green LED. So that looks impressive. So that's the modes and how it looks and works. I just realized I've got all 3 of these. I've got the blue, the red, and the green one. This one I think is their baby light, and then this one has got a bit more features, and this one is now the rechargeable one that we're reviewing now. So maybe it's possible for me to show each one of these lights brightness. I don't know, but I will go into a little dark room and switch on each one of them, and maybe we can see the difference in lumens of each one of them. So let's see what we can do. Right, so here's little blue, and it's just a little headlamp. I think that's the brightest setting. Oh no, there's the brightest setting. So that's the little blue flashlight. And then let's go for the red one. This one has got actually a very, very nice light. It's a very wide angle light, but if you dim it, there's the dim and there's the extra dim. So this is the red light. It's got a very widespread and nice light to work with close by. And then the green light, a much more direct light. So you can see it's got it's like throwing a beam. I think that's why they say it's got a 80-meter distance. So that's the brightest, the diffuser side, and then the low dim side. And let's go to the night mode flashing, and green. The green is also very nice for in the dark. I think that'll be nice with a campfire or hunting ghosts.